Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get our updates as it drops. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Some people are ready to die to have it as if it is their birthright. Some says it's their turn as if ruling Nigeria is theirs to do. And by that, some people can go all in to have it. P2B's billboard is prohibited in Lagos, either by hook or crook. You can imagine ever allowing this sort of dictatorship getting near Aso Rock. God forbid, BAT 10. Anyway, as you can see on the screen, that is Tinubu's campaign billboard, and it's standing at number 10 Abugo Street in Enugu, and no one touched it. Nigerian cruel politics. Governor of Osun State stopped the now governor-elect from using a particular venue. You wonder what Adeleke will do when he now becomes governor. Do to others what you would like them do to you. As you can see, this is Tinubu's billboard, but he ordered that Obi's billboard should not be seen in Lagos. Can you imagine? And now to the next story. One of the best development is on human capital. Invest in people to have education and trainings. That's also like teaching one to fish rather than giving them fish. That's what P2B did in Anambra State. And here is just a tip of the iceberg. P2B single-handedly turned Anambra State into education hub in Nigeria. We have 177 towns in Anambra spanning over 23 local government areas, and he rebuilt all the schools in all the towns to standard. He took Anambra to first circle educationally in Nigeria. Most of our young men and women are today running circles educationally in Nigeria. Look at Lagos. Lagos can't come near Anambra educationally in all ramifications. Parents have all sent their children to school in Anambra, or are you talking of Bono? You don't even talk about that. You all know already. Well, good morning. Show me schools in Lagos better than the ones in Anambra, apart from just names. And Obi did that. Okay, make we touch PDP. Wabara is on his own. It's like he has been appointed BOT chairman of PDP. Well, Igbo people has provoked, will reject the appointment of former Senate President Adolphus Wabara as chairman PDP Board of Trustees. It is president or nothing. You took presidential ticket. You took PDP national chairman. We don't need BOT chairman. Atiku won't win any vote in Southeast. Atiokowa has so many things to clear. Meanwhile, you need to listen to Governor Nyesom Wike on this, even though he was speaking for his Rivers people. The North has snatched all the major positions and even the party chairmanship. Yet, the earlier agreement was to give the presidential slot to Igbos. Are we Onye Osaka?
Yeah, I told Nigerians before, at the appropriate time I was going to speak. But now that things are coming out, let me be revealing small to you people. So that you people will know the kind of country we are in. So that you know the kind of country we are in. And you know how to see yourself. Are you part of this country? You will now begin to know and ask yourself question. Am I part of this country? Are you said if the presidential candidate comes from the north, that he will resign by the convention of our party, that the candidate of our party, the chairman of our party, will come from the south. When the North Central met in the house of Governor Bala Muhammad, the governor of Bauchi State, he said so there. When he made the caucus of the Senate, he told them that when we finish our convention on a Saturday to Sunday, the candidate of the party came to see me in my house in Abuja on Monday, around 10:30 a.m. And that's what I don't like in this country. The candidate told me, I said, listen, I want us to work together. And then he said, look, you must go. I said, why? He said, because when a candidate comes from the north, the chairman will come from the south. And I'm saying, implement what you told me. What offense have I committed? What offense have I committed? And people are just, wicked. It's nothing to do with wicked. It has to do with integrity. This is what you told me. I challenge the presidential candidate to deny this. If he denies this, I go further to say so many things to Nigerians. Because enough is enough. We can't continue this way. They have today told the BOT chairman to resign. Who is talking about chairman of BOT? What is the role of the BOT? BOT is an advisory body. We have never zoned BOT. BOT is an advisory body. BOT is not a decision-making body. Those who run, as it is today, is the presidential candidate or president and chairman of the party. The chairman of the party and the candidate or president, as the case may be, are those who will sit down and take decision. The candidate is from the north. The chairman is from the north. Who will represent the south in decision making? You have taken the president. We have agreed, yes. You can't take the two major positions of a party. You cannot do that. And some psychophants do not understand. What they're interested is going to run out after them, put them in the campaign council. We should forget about greed. What has killed Nigeria are leaders who cannot keep to their integrity, who cannot honor what they have told people. But it's what about the problem? Look at the insult. You have told the BOT chairman to resign. So you are not agreeing with us that this thing cannot be in one place. But what we are saying, the position we are talking about, which all of us agree, is the chairman of the party. It's not about BOT. One ex-general went to see the BOT chairman, and the candidate went to see him, to look, resign.
Anyway, Wike, I will cut you there. You say you are not Igbo. Let's round up with the next story. Nigeria is at it again, constantly hurting the Igbo man. They don't want to hear us say Biafra. They behave as if we are one, but they attack us at will and destroy our belongings at every slightest opportunity. Go to the north, Igbo men's shop are being destroyed, vandalized. Okay. Now in Lagos, Lekki, Jakonde, they destroyed Igbo shops with goods inside. What is the sin? What is the crime of the Igbo man in Nigeria? Ndị Igbo, mekona shine on the eyes, ọkwa na oye ekweme. Tifa si aga. Mekona shine on the eyes. Anyway, you need to see this video.
Shop by more than 500 shops. Igbo na pass. Where yarie. Na Lekki Jakonde gbara na Lagos State. Ha sai lawa buy na iwere ala. Ha zara shop ai we zarie. Ala no kwa na eme business wa ala igoro ego. Eshi na zugara aria so na ala we ala. Na lawa buy shi we bia. Atotoro more than 500 shop we yarie. Ebe ndị buy na azụ ahịa. Lee ha mere shops ndị mmadụ. Lee ha mere shop ndị mmadụ. Lekwa ebe ụmụ Igbo na-achọ their daily bread. Azara ihe niile we ya cash everywhere. Shops a wokwa shops I ka kwachapụrụ ụgwọ last week. I ka kwachara for 400,000. Atotoro shop niile we destroy ya.
500,000. Agwa ha na herele ya.
Agwa na herele.
Chinazu na sha ya ego.
Ya 2 days ka apụ.
Ala sep ụfọdụ ndị be nọcha ebe azụchara ala. Esi na azụrarịa na ha lawa be ha. Akwụchara ụgwọ shop last week 400,000 ma ndị kwụrụ 500. Ma ndị kwụrụ 300,000. Manda Kaduredu this year.
Odu last week on Friday.
Manda Kaduru last month. Herend Onyobla shopless. Umi Bono na Jakonde is a shopless now. Leko Onyobla no stranded. Le Hamirende by Onyobla is stranded. Total man him everything. Maybe she can go hand them mad.
Mahana Zaya Banyo, where I name
one Nigeria.
After so I know one Nigeria.
Hana Zuka Banyo, where I name who.
Hana destroy a church shop. And Kauzi today can have the final one. Leo more than 500 shops. Na Leki Jakonde, Bara, Lagos State. I thought everywhere we destroy everywhere. Le Konabla the stranded, Mule Luana. Ule na Hana will buy Ule Lua. Ule na Hana water more than 20 million. Onaji went Asana Hana BH. Asana BH Hana BH Ibi Kutuya. Le Konabla the stranded. Le Chama Omarichu Lua. Ulo yela no here walker. Ulo yela no here walker. Sometimes I na gather me fellowship. I na be chabe ku richer than menen wa. Mulelu na ho. Le. Ha mirai.